How to enable Do Not Disturb on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Discord application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you get to your home page, now navigate to the bottom right corner. There you will find your profile icon as you. So tap on that. Now, once you get to your profile page, there simply tap on your profile name under your profile icon. After that, a drop-down box will pop up in your interface with multiple options such as online, idle, do not disturb, and invisible. By default, it is set to online. That means you are online in Discord. Now, to enable this do not disturb mode, simply tap on the third option that says do not disturb. And with that, you have enabled do not disturb mode in Discord. If you would like to disable, again simply tap on your profile name and then from this drop down menu choose the online mode. So that's how you can enable do not disturb on Discord, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.